Hello everybody, so today I will teach you guys how to make Baingan ka Bharta, or in other words eggplant. So my lovely sister here is making it. She's too shy to feature in front of the camera, so I'm gonna do all the recording and talking while she does the actual cooking. So get ready to learn how to make Baingan ka Bharta. So step one is to wash the eggplant and put some oil all around. As you can see, the shiny part is all because it's oil all around it. And then you just start to cook it. And this is how, yeah, roasted, my bad. Okay, so this is how it looks. So our next step will be, after it's fully roasted, we're gonna put it in a cold water container that's already filled up halfway or less than halfway. So we're just waiting for it to all get roasted. So as you guys can see that it was roasted, and then we put it into cold water, and now we just left a little bit of water and rest is all drained. And we also need one big tomato that is chopped right here, along with one green chili pepper that's also chopped into smaller pieces. And we have onions here, and now we're just waiting for it to change color. You just want to make sure that the onion is irregular size, so it doesn't have to be exact. As you can see, some are big, some are small. And we're just about to add some lemon juice. We'll show you the bottle how it looks like. So this is what we use. It says real lemon, and we just measure it in the cap. We just want to put 1 cap of that, and then just mix it together. Once the onion changed its color, we just added the green chili pepper and tomato to it. So this is how it looks. Now we just peeled off the skin and left it in the bowl, and here we have the entire eggplant. Next step is just to chop the eggplant and mix it with the rest of the ingredients in the pan. And throughout this process, our heating was set to low, and now we just want to increase it after we have added all the ingredients. So our first ingredient is turmeric, which is a 1/4 teaspoon that we added to the mix. Next up, we have black pepper that you take about 3/4 of a teaspoon. We have salt, which is less than 1 teaspoon, about 3/4 of a teaspoon. And lastly, we have red chili pepper, which is 1 teaspoon as well. And now we added all the spices, and this is how it's coming along. Now the heating is set to high. One thing you'll also notice at this step is the smell that is really strong, and to be honest, it smells really yummy. Now we just added 1 cup of water, and this is how it looks. So now we're just going to add a few red chili whole stemless. This is exactly what I'm reading off the package. So let's see how much she's about to put in. She put in 1 and 2. Okay, this is just going to give it a little bit of flavor. So after cooking it for approximately 7 to 10 minutes, we're just going to cover it with the lid and turn down the heat to medium. And if you're super organized, then you're just gonna bake rotis on the side. So by the time your salan is done, your roti is almost done. See, this is almost done. You just need to wait for the water to absorb a little bit. Once we have little to no water, then it's ready. So I think it's gonna take maybe 3 to 4 more minutes. Alright, so it's all ready, and as you can see, there's no water left, and it's all dry and ready for you to serve. So alright, that was quick and easy recipe of Baingan ka Bharta, in other words eggplant. Please let us know how you liked this recipe, and if you want us to post more recipes for you to try. This is one of our favorites, and you know, I just told my sister to shoot, and she said, yeah, why not, let's do it. It could just help someone out there.